Thank you, Rosalie. I'm Sarah Ahmed, and today we're going to be talking about the very important segment of the banking industry. The channels in the banking industry have become very complex for both customers and organizations. So let's take a quick look at how banking has been in the past.
Word from the bird says that you have to go to the bank, do ya? Well, first things first, Timmy. You'll need to bust your hump at 6 a.m. The bank is no place to fool around. Then you'll need to put on a snazzy shirt, comb that rug, grab those 8-ball ears, and put on your finest shoes. Now you're ready. You've entered the branch to make a transaction. Don't be alarmed. It's just your finances, and you can bet your bottom dollar that you're in good hands. You see, today banks work by delivering products and services and build relationships with customers through good old face-to-face conversation. And that, my dear friend, is how we build trust. Congratulations, your transaction is complete. Don't forget to seal the deal with a good old-fashioned handshake. Now you're learning, Timmy. Now move along.
Very outdated, isn't it? Let's go talk to Stephanie from TD Canada Trust to explain to us how channels work today in 2015.
Thanks, Sarah. All right, so we're going to take a look at the channels in 2015. So the first one is Visa. We also have insurance. We have day-to-day banking. We have loans. And we have investments. All right, so these are really separate products, but they're treated as different companies, right? Because as the customer has issues with each one of these products, they're bounced around like some sort of yo-yo, going back and forth through the channels because of terrible multi-channel management. So what we want to do is really create a channel flow. And this is going to create a seamless omni-channel experience, and it's going to benefit the organization as well as the customer. We really want to flatten this out like some pizza, a flat pizza. That's where the innovation lies.
So we're here with Yurata Volkanita, the Marketing Director of TD, and Elma Kresik, a branch manager, who will explain to us in detail the new proposed channels that Stephanie was just discussing. So Yurata, can you tell us a little bit more about these new industry services?
Yes, of course. Hi everyone. So we added a lot of fun things for you for your banking experience. For example, interactive ATMs, FaceTiming, and iBank. Some of the features are going to be in our short commercial. So let's take a look into the future.
Are you sick of being stuck in those day-to-day lineups at the branch that feel longer than life itself? Can you stand patiently waiting after being put on hold, and just when you decide to step away for a quick 1-2 and boop, customer service hangs up on you? Do you ever stare at the face of a representative and wonder, wow, you really have no idea what you're talking about? Combining these problems can lead to a poor perception of a customer's banking experience, which is why we are introducing TD's Omni-Channel, the integration of physical and digital into one seamless experience. Let's take a further look at TD's new features. FaceTiming via branch representatives.
Hi, sorry, I really need to see an advisor. I need to open an account. Is there someone available for me?
Sure. Unfortunately, I don't have any representatives available right now. Really, but if you would like, we can connect you with somebody from our head office.
Oh, great.
That's okay with you?
Sure.
You can just have a seat right here, and I'll get everything organized.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, so before we get started, can I get you something to drink? Coffee, tea, water?
Coffee. I'd love to, yeah.
Perfect. Here you go. So Sarah is expecting your call. She's our customer service representative. And I'll connect you with her straight away.
Great.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow, this is cool.
Hello,
Hi.
my name is Sarah, and I'll be your customer representative today. How can I make your day better?
Customizable smart notifications.
Oh, just got another notification to pay off my new credit card using the TD iBank app.
Really? What are the benefits of the new visa?
Well, it means a bunch more travel points.
So, can you take me on the vacation that you were talking about?
You know it.
Educating customers who are not yet tech savvy.
Hi ladies.
Hi.
How are you on this beautiful Saturday?
Good.
Well, my name is Colin. I'm an educating representative for TD's new iBank app, and I'd love to help and educate you guys on how to use it.
Perfect.
Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is, you can just gently put your device flat on the table there. We're going to start off by pressing the top right corner button, which can be located right here.
On the go, FaceTiming via representatives. Whatever you need, we'll be there 24/7.
Gosh, with all the kids and all the work, I forgot to ask about my mortgage. I'm so happy I have TD's iBank application. I'm gonna call that a representative and ask her.
Hi, this is Stephanie from TD Canada Trust. How can I make your day better?
Hi, I wanted to ask if my mortgage payment went through this month.
Sure. Can I just have your name, please?
Yeah, it's Jurate, Jurate.
Sure. And your last name? Can you spell that for me, please?
Yes, sure. Valiukonyte.
Sure. All right. From the information that I have here, all your payments are up to date. Nothing to worry about. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you, that's it.
Perfect. Have a great day.
You
Take care.
too.
Can't talk to a representative? No problem with TD's personalized iBank app.
Hey, iBank. Can you tell me what my credit card balance is for this month?
Allow me to check my records. Your balance this month is $5,080, but you have gone over your limit.
iBank, can you increase my limit from $5,000 to $6,500?
Your credit line has accepted your limit increase. Congratulations. Is there anything else that I can do for you today, Stephanie?
No, that's it. Thank you so much for your help.
That was very interesting. But can you explain these features more in depth from an omni-channel perspective?
So TD is creating an iBank, which is an interactive mobile application that connects all the channel members into one seamless experience. So after doing a lot of surveys for TD, the results show that people don't like to wait. They don't like to repeat themselves. They don't like to feel the switching between the channel members. We can all understand that, right?
Tell me about it. So why is this transition important today?
Last week I read an article called Customer Experience Innovation Creates Mutual Value, which was really interesting. And it talked about how innovating, transforming and elevating customer experience not only increases revenues, but it also increases productivity and maybe in turn even customer retention and loyalty. It also would help TD to gain sustainable competitive advantage in the banking industry.
So you talk about the banks, but what are the benefits for the customers?
So the TD will still keep the personal connection that the customers like so much by using virtual branches and customized services. So for example, it will provide help and support, it will send notifications about any upcoming offers, it will help to forecast expenses for the customers. So another article that I read called Personalization as a Service is Changing E-commerce supports a new channel strategy. For example, the iBank and Omni-Channel will create multiple ways to interact with the customers and show them that TD cares about their needs.
So this is a very ambitious goal. How do you plan on implementing it into your branch, Alma?
Right, so for the short term, we thought of introducing redesigned branches or more likely specialty branches where customer could have extra features to their services such as tax preparations or even insurance policies. We're even going to add meeting rooms where colleagues, employees, or even business persons could meet and interact between each other. Also, we currently have a mobile application, but we thought of increasing customer experience through it, and we want to introduce a new interactive application where customers could call, text, or even FaceTime with their customer service representative, advisor, or even banker anytime at any place they'd like.
So that's very good for the short term, but what about 2016, for example? What do you expect to see then?
Right, so for 2016, we're thinking of introducing interactive ATMs. These next generation ATM will provide customers with extra features such as new personalized product offers or even be able to transfer money overseas, which currently can only be done in branch. Also, the ATM will be provided with a screen and a video, which will allow the customer to have immediate assistance if necessary. Along to that, we will reduce cash transactions only through ATMs. This way, we will remove in-branch traffic, and it will allow us to provide an effective, seamless experience to the end user.
So that's good for the medium and short term, but what about the long term?
Right, so for the long term, this is when the virtual banking comes in. So that being said, the customer will be able to meet his his advisor or banker, even if that person is not physically available.
So let's say I, the customer, walk into the branch and want to consult my advisor about a mortgage or a specific problem that I have and he's not there. What do I do then?
Great, that's a perfect example. So in that case, the customer won't have to schedule a future appointment or even say substitute advisor. He will be able to have a video conference with that specific advisor he wished to see on that day. And on the other hand, the advisor will have a virtual database he could consult even if he's not in branch. So this would solve the problem as fast as it appeared.
Perfect, thank you. All that we've seen today has been very interesting, and it would be very beneficial for all of us to pay close attention to the banking industry in the next coming years. All of our lives will become easier through the Omni-Channel application, and that's all I have. Thank you, Rosalie. Back to you.